Hi, this is Robbie Thomas with Realty Experts. Let's go inside for a tour of the property. That's the kitchen. Has a skylight. Space for a refrigerator. Another skylight. Plenty of light. Bedroom 1 with plantation shutters. The closet. Bathroom 1. Bedroom 2 with the closet. Washer dry area. Expanded third bedroom with a closet over there and a walk-in closet over here. There's 2 closets. Large bathroom, master bathroom. There's a small deck, nice tree line, park-like setting, a little bit of green, detached 2-car garage, low maintenance backyard with a driveway. Workbench, the work area, and 2-car garage. It's a beautiful location. And a long driveway to boot for extra parking. If you were to call for a party and have more friends over, plenty of parking space. Signing out here, this is Robbie Thomas with Realty Experts for 739 North South Street, Livermore. This is a northeast facing house, single family, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, approximately 1933 square feet with a 7,500 square feet lot. A great place for investment or for a primary single family home residence. This is Robbie Thomas with Realty Experts, and I've got your back.